Marco Colbert, Speedo Cover Finish Network. We got the Del Sol. It's ready for primer. As I mentioned in my update video with this car, getting it back on the channel, I did not do a bare metal restoration on this car, but we did take a good bit of material off of it. We sanded it with 80 grit, 180 grit, 320, and that was it. I get a lot of questions as far as, okay, when do you primer a car? Do you primer a whole car? Why should you use primer? The only times you should really use primer is obviously if you're doing a bare metal restoration. If the paint surface that you have is chipping, it's not a good foundation for a paint job. A situation like this, we have some old paint that we're going to try and paint over. Like I said, we sanded it really good, but we're going to try and paint over this. So we are going to be using a primer sealer on this. Let's get this thing cleaned up, taped up. Let's mix up some primer and let's get at it. A lot of you guys have been waiting for this. We are going to use the $25 spray gun. We're going to primer this whole car with this gun, and we're going to see how it does. I believe I've showed you guys how to make your own primer sealer before. You're going to take 4 parts primer filler, 1 part activator, 1 part reducer, a little bit of a cold night, so we got our Warp Speedo accelerator. You can use that in just about any urethane product to speed the dry time. And that's right about where you want to be for primer sealer, about 2.5 seconds to where it starts dripping off the stick. Let the primer sit overnight, let it fully cure up and dry. It dried incredibly smooth, incredibly flat, looks amazing, feels amazing. This is absolutely the best primer system on the market below $100. Like I said, guys, you can mix it 4-to-1 and have an ultra high build primer, or you can mix it the way we did, about 4-to-1 and get a very nice primer sealer out of it. Now, to test the adhesion on this product, I'm gonna take you over to the driver's side. I'm gonna show you guys something real quick. So as you guys can see, we have a unsanded hard edge right here. Just to test the adhesion, we're gonna go ahead and pick at this. Look at this. Not coming off. That is a unsanded hard edge. Try a little bit more up here. I'm picking at this hard, guys. I mean, I'm scratching the heck out of this stuff. and it's not coming off. That right there shows true quality and true adhesion. You will not get a better adhesive primer for the money. You just simply don't. So whether you do this professionally or whether you're just a DIY weekend warrior, you got to get a can of this stuff. We have the SMR 210, which I believe is like 4.1 VOC. And then if you live in any of those VOC tricky states, we have the SMR 22.1, which is 2.1 VOC. Both of which are extremely good quality, extremely good adhesion, and obviously, as everybody's concerned about, extremely good price. That wraps up the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, new videos every week.